Hello, my friends. This is Susan Woods of Susan Woods Nonprofit Solutions. Please be careful. Please be careful because there are many fake nonprofit so-called experts that are using gimmicky, eye-catching ads to advertise their businesses in which they claim to be able to help you earn 501c3 nonprofit status. I've been completing the Form 1023 application to help people earn 501c3 nonprofit status since 2010, and I've helped over 400 people. So I know what it takes to earn 501c3 status. And unfortunately, after enrolling in some of these fake webinars, it's sad to say that these are just gimmicks. They have no substance. So be careful when choosing a professional.